Okay, students, good afternoon. Today we are going to study the next point from that chapter, real numbers, that is binomial quadratic surds. Binomial quadratic surds. Binomial quadratic surds. Bi means two. That is, two terms are there. One is irrational number, that is surd. One is irrational number, that is surd, and another may be a surd or a real number. Another may be a surd or any real number or a rational number. Any rational number. That is, and that two terms are joined with the help of plus or minus sign. When that two terms are joined with the help of plus or minus sign, then that two terms are called as binomial quadratic surds. Quadratic means order 2. No doubt. We are studying the surd having the order 2. That is the quadratic surd. And binomial. Bi means 2. Two terms are joined together. One is surd. Another may be a rational number or a surd. Join with the help of plus or minus sign. Then that two terms are called as binomial quadratic surds. Bi means 2. Two terms are there. Two terms are there. Quadratic, order 2. Quadratic means order 2. This is the binomial quadratic surds. For example, from your textbook, see there are examples are given. For example, root 3 plus root 7. Root 3 or root 7. Then root 5 plus root 3. 3 upon 4 plus root 10. Then root 3 minus root 7. Root 3 minus root 7 or root 5 minus root 3. These are the binomial quadratic surds. These are the binomial quadratic surds. Binomial quadratic surds. Two surds are there. They may be joined with plus or minus sign. That is operations on the surd. We already studied that. We can carry out addition and subtraction. That is the only two surds are here. Binomial quadratic surds. Quadratic means order is 2. Then study the following example. There are some rules are given. That rule I will write down here. One rule is there. Root A plus root B. Root A plus root B and root A minus root B is equal to A square is equal to root A bracket square minus root B bracket square minus root B bracket square. Root A bracket square minus root B bracket square is equal to A minus B is equal to A minus B. Therefore, root A plus root B and another bracket root A minus root B is equal to A minus B is equal to A minus B. That is bracket square. A plus B in one bracket, another bracket A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. That formula we have to use here. So formula A plus B A minus B A square minus B square. त्या फॉर्म्युलाने हे दिलेलं आहे. म्हणजे रूट ए प्लस रूट बी, रूट ए मायनस रूट बी इज इक्वल टू ए मायनस बी. Root A square means A, root B square means B. We have to use this formula to solve some problems. काही उदाहरणं सोडवण्यासाठी याचा आपल्याला उपयोग करायचा आहे. तो फॉर्म्युला लिहून ठेवायचा आहे तुम्ही वहीमध्ये, म्हणजे तुम्हाला उदाहरणं सोडवता येतील. For example, root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. And another bracket, root 5 minus root 3 is equal to, directly you can write down, is equal to root 5 bracket square minus root 3 bracket square is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, root 5 plus root 3 and another bracket root 5 minus root 3 is equal to 2. A minus B means radicand. Carried out subtraction of their radicands. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. By using that formula, we can solve that immediately. Or there is another one problem. Second example, 3 upon 2 plus root 5. 3 upon 2 plus root 5. And another bracket, 3 upon 2 minus root 5. 3 upon 2 minus root 5. Again, we have to use that formula, a square minus b square. Therefore, 3 root 2 bracket square minus root 5 bracket square. Therefore, 3 square 9. Square of 2 is 4. 9 upon 4 minus square of 5 is 25 and square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, carried out this subtraction of the fractions by taking cross multiplication. तिरकस गुणाकार करून आपण हे उदाहरण सोडू शकतो. 9 minus 4 भागिले 20 upon 4. 4 1 4 is equal to minus 11 upon 4. Therefore, 3 upon 2 plus root 5 and 3 upon 2 minus root 5 is equal to minus 11 upon 4. Minus 11 upon 4. See, you can solve by this process. Okay. The product of these two binomial sum. The product of these two binomial sum is a rational number. Product of these two binomial number is a rational number. That is, product of these two irrational number is rational number. Mind well. Hence, these are the conjugate pair of each other. Hence, these are the conjugate pair of each other. That is the plus and minus sign. And the numbers are same. Then that is called as conjugate pairs of each other. Sambandha jodi, conjugate pair of each other. And that we have to solve here, conjugate pair. For example, there are some conjugate pairs are given here. Conjugate pairs. Conjugate pairs. Conjugate pairs. These are the conjugate pairs. For example, root 3 plus root 7 and root 3 minus root 7. These are the conjugate pairs. 9 plus root 5 and 9 minus root 5. These are also conjugate pair. That is same numbers, only the signs are different. That is the conjugate pair. Because if we take the product of that two, then they will be converted into a rational number. परिमेय संख्यांमध्ये त्यांचं रूपांतर होणार आहे अपरिमेय संख्येचं त्यांचं प्रॉडक्ट घेतल्यानंतर. Rationalization the denominator or rationalization of the denominator. छेदाचं परिमेयकरण करणे. Rationalization of the denominator by taking their conjugate pairs, because we know that if we multiply that number by the conjugate pair, then it will convert it into a rational number. Rationalization. Next point is rationalization of the denominator. Rationalization of the denominator. Rationalization of the denominator. Okay, then rationalize the denominator. असा एक प्रश्न आहे प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4 मध्ये. पहिला प्रश्न आहे तो मल्टिप्लाय, ब्रॅकेटचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं आहे. सिंपल आहे, प्रॉडक्ट घ्यायचा आहे दोघांचा. आणि दुसरा जो प्रश्न आहे रॅशनलाइज द डिनॉमिनेटर. सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही लिहून घ्या आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेटमधलं आपण उदाहरण पाहूया. पहिलंच उदाहरण आहे 1/√7 + √2. रॅशनलाइज द डिनॉमिनेटर. 1/√7 + √2. √7 + √2. Rationalize the denominator. Then while rationalizing, first we have to find out the rationalizing factor, that is its conjugate pair. Rationalizing factor is conjugate pair, and if we multiply it by its conjugate pair, then that factor or that product converted into a rational number. But one thing you have to always remind, that is we have to multiply on both sides, numerator as well as denominator, by its conjugate pair. Multiply on both sides by √7 minus √2. √7 minus √2. √7 minus √2 is its conjugate pair. √7 minus √2 is its conjugate pair. याची conjugate pair आहे. प्लसचं फक्त काय करायचं आहे, मायनस साइन. अपोजिट साइन घेतलं की त्याचं conjugate pair झाला आणि मग त्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं की आपल्याला तो रॅशनल नंबरमध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येतो. ओके, देअरफॉर 1/√7 plus √2 into √7 minus √2 upon √7 minus √2. हां, दोन्ही ठिकाणी अंशस्थानी आणि छेदस्थानी मल्टिप्लाय केलेला आहे. आता एकने याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे आहे तीच संख्या राहणार आहे आणि यांचा प्रॉडक्ट होणार आहे मागाच्या नियमाप्रमाणे. a + b a - b a² - b² = a - b, कारण रूटमध्ये आहे त्या संख्या. देअरफॉर 1 into this, same thing, √7 minus √2 upon, in one bracket, √7 plus √2, another bracket, √7 minus √2, bracket complete. यांचा फक्त प्रॉडक्ट घ्यायचं आहे. इज इक्वल टू √7 minus √2 upon, आता काय करणार आपण, फक्त ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, √7 bracket square minus √2 bracket square, √7 minus 2 √2 bracket square is equal to, किंवा इथं पुढे घेऊ आपण या लेफ्ट साईडला. Therefore √7 minus √2, √7 minus √2, √7 minus √2 upon √7 bracket square means 7 minus √2 bracket square means 2 is equal to √7 minus √2 upon 7 minus 2, 5. This is the rational number. This is rational number. This is called as rationalization of the denominator. That is irrational number. This is irrational number is converted into a rational number. This is the rationalization of the denominator. One more example. We will take one more fourth example. We will take the fourth example. चौथं उदाहरण सोडूया त्याच प्रॅक्टिस सेट मधलं. √5 minus √3. Fourth example. √5 minus 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. Okay. Same problem I. Only we have to multiply this by its conjugate pair. Which is the conjugate pair? Root 5 plus root 3. Conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3. Multiply on both sides by root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3. Therefore, root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 याला ब्रॅकेट टाका into root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3 याला ब्रॅकेट टाका. आता या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट आहे, सेम नंबर आहे. काय होईल मग सेम नंबर असताना? therefore root 5 minus root 3 bracket square. Root 5 minus root 3 bracket square, and the denominator root 5 bracket square minus root 3 bracket square. Root 5 bracket square minus root 3 bracket square. Root 5 minus root 5 square minus root 3 bracket square. लक्षात येतं आयटम. आता लेफ्ट साइडला आपण सोडू, या बाजूला सोडू. आता याचा स्क्वेअर करायचं आहे आपल्याला. रूट 5 मायनस रूट 3 म्हणजे a मायनस b ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. कोणता फॉर्म्युला वापर आपण? a मायनस b ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वेअर मायनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वेअर. या फॉर्म्युल्याने आपण सोडवणार आहोत. a स्क्वेअर मायनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वेअर. या ठिकाणी हा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा म्हणजे काय होईल का? therefore रूट 5 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर मायनस 2 into रूट 5 into root 3 plus root 3 bracket square upon root 5 bracket square minus root 3 bracket square means 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Therefore, root 5 bracket square 5 minus 2 root 5 into root 3 15. 5 3s are 15 plus bracket 3 root 3 bracket square means 3 upon 5 minus 3 2. Therefore 5 plus 3 8 minus 2 root 15 upon 2. 5 आणि 3 8 वजा 2 वर्गमुळात 15. आता इथे पहा 8 आणि 2 आहे, यातनं आपण कॉमन घेऊ शकतो. वी कॅन टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस 2. Therefore 2 in bracket 4 minus root 15. 4 minus root 15 upon 2. This 2 will get cancelled and final answer is therefore 4 minus root 15. 4 minus root 15 is your final answer. 4 minus root 15 is your final answer. शेवटी तुम्हाला हे उत्तर मिळणार आहे. 2 2 इथं कॉमन घेऊन कट होणार आहेत. इथं 8 आहे, इथं 2 आहे, यांच्यामध्ये कॉमन घेतलं आपण 2. ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 4 मायनस रूट 15 हे 2 2 कट झाले आणि शेवटी उत्तर मिळालं आपल्याला 4 मायनस रूट 15 असं उत्तर मिळणार आहे. लक्षात येते? ओके, वी आर स्टॉपिंग हिअर आवर पॉईंट टू प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.4. सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग प्रॉब्लेम्स फ्रॉम दॅट प्रॅक्टिस सेट. वी विल कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट पिरियड. ओके, थँक यू.